Hey, welcome back to Dear Twin Flame. It is Tuesday after the long weekend. Beautiful day today. Kind of up and down for energy wise. Some moments are kind of draggy, and then others I felt great. So I'm just knowing the way my body works. I know we're coming into the new moon cycle. So I'm just kind of going with the flow, but it was a good day in that I finally managed to stay on track with my doing better for myself kind of idea, and got out, walked almost 9 kilometers. So that's good. It's been a while since I have had that in my routine, so hopefully that will make me feel better. Hopefully I'll be able to sleep. I haven't been able to sleep lately, going to bed at crazy hours, and having waxed dreams, which have been hard because I know I'm dreaming very strangely, but I haven't been able to recall a lot of it, so it's hard to know what I'm supposed to work through. But there's that. Anyway, so I've been tired, but hopefully the exercise today will put me on course to have a good night's sleep. That's the plan anyway. And ate well and drank a ton of water. So yeah, that's it was a good day in that sense. Yay. Otherwise I had a lot I wanted to get done. A lot of things I want to do, but not accomplishing a lot, I suppose. Other than I did get my walking in, and I got all my laundry done. Woohoo! Joys of parenthood. Billion loads of laundry later. But yeah, I didn't get any painting done, which I had hoped to do. And I wanted to go on a road trip because it was such a beautiful day, and both the girls were asking to go to the beach, and since it's just the three of us right now, thought it would have been nice, but alas, that didn't happen after homeschooling and all the rest of it. So maybe tomorrow, we'll see. I'm not sure what the day will bring. Anyway, I just wanted to reach out and say hello because, like I said in my last video, I think it was the last one, I just feel better when I get the chance to talk to you. It's like going through my day without talking to you feels like I'm missing something, missing someone. So there's that. Anyway, don't really have a lot to share because haven't really had a lot going on. So my son is gone to his dad's, and now because I didn't realize, I should have paid attention. But he is not self-isolating. He is not following the rules. He is out and about and interacting with many people, and therefore has exposed my son to it. So now, like, not that they won't be fine, they will, but I can't have him bringing it back to my ladybug, because if she gets it, we're in trouble. So whole COVID-19 is just messing with my head. So I guess that's the news of the COVID. I'm sure you probably have heard, but just as a timeline for me and a journaling of this whole process, it was announced today that schools would not be reopening, which we figured was going to happen anyway. And for my kids, just because of our ladybug girl, they weren't going to go back to school anyway. But it is now official, so school's out for summer, I guess. You can look at it that way. Sadie was the little bear. She was singing that all day. School's out for summer. Anyway, it's a very different experience for me having just me and the girls here. Sorry, head is just, it's hot. It's messing with me. Anyway, it's just strange, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't have a lot to say. It's one of those days that I would just okay, speak my truth, right? It's one of those days that I just wish you were in my world just so I could curl up beside you and listen to your day. Listen to what happened in your day and just be in your presence. That's that's what today feels like. That's what I wish for today. Just to be in the same space and hear your thoughts and hear about your day and yeah. Anyway, these are the things I wish for. These are the things I wish for. So, anyway, I will leave it at that because, you know, put your heart out there and then, just let it be. Let it be. Anyway, as always, I hope things are well in your world and that you are healthy and that you are safe and that you know that someone's thinking of you. I guess that's it. So until next time, dear twin flame, you are loved and you are missed.